Yun, sana mas dumami pa tayo. And panatilihin natin tong healthy environment natin, guys. Let's avoid negativity. Let's avoid comparison. Let's keep this empowered world for all. Yun po.
Jo, maraming salamat, Jo. Aya?
Bebe na lang po.
Okay, si Sheena na lang daw. Kaya mo yan, Sheena.
Yes, Bloom, sasabi na ni Ate Jo. Pero just know na dahil you guys have our back, nalilito na ako. Kasi you guys have our back, so you have a back. Pero you get the